Okay guys, welcome back to Carl's Garage. If this is your first time tuning in to Carl's Garage, please hit that like button, also subscribe, and please share this video with anybody else who you might think might be interested in some car content. If you haven't already watched the previous video from where these come from, go back and check out my video on how to plasti dip your wheels on your car. I plasti dipped my wheels on my 2015 Kia Optima. I plasti dipped them black, but I wanted to do something special with the center caps, with the wheel center caps. I'm lucky enough to have another business with my wife, Flash Custom Designs. You can check them out in the link below, where we are able to make our own merchandise, and we're also able to make a vast array of other things, as well as car decals and wall decals and shirts and mugs. Basically, anything that you see in a store, we can probably make. So when taking off the center caps, I wanted to kind of do something different than just paint them black with the rest of the wheels or put them in there. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some transfer tape to tape over this. I'm going to cut out the letter KIA and just leave that, and I'm going to remove the rest so that the tape is over the KIA. Then I'm going to paint the whole thing white. Then I'm going to peel up the letter so that we have a silver Kia with the rest of this white. I could probably scuff it because this is clear, but I'm not too worried. Again, this is just a quick tip on how to paint your center caps. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I want to do is I want to grab some transfer tape. If you know anything about Cricut or the cutting machine, you know that this tape is great if you want to transfer vinyl from one area to another. So we're going to measure about how many pieces we can get. So I don't want to be wasteful, so we want to measure 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to leave some room. You want to leave some room so that it can fold over. Again, we're just blocking just the letter KIA. This is good. Let's grab my scissors. So now what we want to do, we want to take this and we want to push it on there. I'm going to peel it. I don't have my squeegee tool. Make sure you lift it up a little bit so that you don't get any creases. Squeegee this on there. Make sure that we're not getting any bubbles, because we're going to be cutting out the K and the I and the A. That one's good. Now we want to use our razor blade, and we want to carefully cut out the K, the I, the A. There you go. Kia. Now you can also, what's great about this is now I can use this as a stencil. So if I were to put this down on something, I could push this down and I could spray, and now I could peel up and I'd have a Kia stencil. But you can't see it because it's clear, but now it's on here. So now we can spray, and after we peel it up, the Kia, the letters will stay silver, but the outside will stay white. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 4, and then we'll shoot over to spraying it.